Reading the ways the winds are blowing,
turning smokestack fumes into fuel,
and preparing for the automated office.
This is beyond innovation.
This intelligent agent is something where you can take that particular chore and say, hey, get me and Samantha together for half an hour at my office on 200 Broadway early next week. Send, and then it's not my task anymore, and the machine can kind of take over and just make sure that happens.
We've decided to take our CO2 we capture and combine it with hydrogen and turn that into a synthetic fuel. This is a fuel that is fully compatible with every vehicle, every car, every truck, every plane. And when you put it in that vehicle, the vehicle becomes carbon neutral because you're using the CO2 that was emitted years ago.
A trade sometimes takes T plus 3 days to settle, 5 days to settle.
Right.
Real estate even longer than that. We can bring that down to 13 seconds. And that's exciting in capital markets, but even more exciting in real estate where it's been a very slow moving asset.